Good afternoon, everybody. Fan Steve here once again. It is Tuesday, April the 28th. Today is going to be part 3 of storage and organization of my fans. As you can see, I have done some work in here throughout the last few days. And if you look over to the right, I finally have my workbench moved in and got in here, and I've been sorting out some tools and going through some stuff and getting everything else put up. I finally got that all done last night, so it's getting around time to where I can start doing restorations and fan videos and stuff like that again. I have this shelf here. This is the same thing as the other one. You just disconnect these and you just take the shelf off, and you can modify them to where you can put just about anything that you want to on there. I have a total of at least about 10 fans. The fans that I'm going to be putting up here are going to be particularly, there's a few floor fans and some desk fans. Pretty much have all of the box fans put up, so I think this is going to look really good. Little did I know that the shelves were going to fit in through the wall here on this side. I'm thinking of whether or not I'm going to keep the shelf over here on the other side as is, or if I'll readjust that towards the table. I think that'll have a much cooler look, but for now we're just going to focus on getting the fans put up here. So one was missing. Duh. I think those are in good. These lined up properly. I saw one of Jordan's latest videos last night. It was called Saturday Night Hangout. This video was recorded about a week ago, and I saw that he had one of my videos on, a few of them actually, recent videos. One was the Hunter, yeah, I think it was the Hunter's, the Hunter ceiling fan in the kitchen. Beautiful fan, but not very efficient. And the other ones that he was watching was the first two videos of this. Gonna capture everything. Maybe if I can. Maybe can I get a good view from here? Or I can just zoom in. Well, it's not gonna zoom in. I think it'll be all right. This is a really cool fan here, both of these. This one I already got to working. This is going to be one of my future projects. Hopefully I can get to that sometime this year. This is another really good one too. All of them are just in really decent condition. Both the General Electric, the table fan, and this one are just about in dang near mint condition. me see what else I can do. Figure out what I could put on the top shelf. Let's see. What else can I put up here? Well, I guess that's pretty much about it. Put this vacuum cleaner up here. Alright. Oh, I think that looks pretty cool. That's a really sensible setup too, how I have all of the floor fans down here, how I have those all on one shelf through the pattens and the box fan and the other floor fan down here. And this is where I have all of the desk fans, including the hassock fan, and I was able to put this one here on top. I think that looks really nice. Easy for storage. Definitely gives the building more character. Really suitable place for storage on top too, to where everything is not just out in the open and it's going to cause such a clutter and everything's going to be cumbersome. So I think it just makes much more sense that way. Well, this is I guess this is my setup here. There's the workbench, and there is the bench for the fans. Still a little bit more left in here to do. Right now I'm working on getting a pegboard to put right here. It's not going to be a great big one. It's probably going to be maybe a 4-footer. Maybe I'll find one from a local hardware store, or I'll just get one off of Amazon. I'll cross that bridge when I get there. Another thing I wanted to show to you too. I'm going to try to improve the lighting in here, and I'll be making a video out of that. I've had this for a really long time, so the lighting is going to be better to where I can see when I'm working in here, and I don't have this thing shining right above my eye. So, shop is looking really good. Very happy with the way things are turning out so far. And I hope that you all have enjoyed the video. Jordan, if you're watching, leave a comment and tell me what you think, buddy. I greatly appreciate it. You know that your opinion always matters. So, Thank you all for watching. That'll do it for this one. And until the next one, I will see you then. Stay tuned for more fan videos and restorations and upcoming projects. And until next time, Stephen the Fan Man here, over and out. God bless. You all enjoy the remainder of your day.